Redneck Angel. It's choreographed by Cheri Litzenburg and Renae Filiou. It is a 16-count 4-wall high beginner level line dance with no tags and no restarts. I'm going to turn around and break down each section of the dance with steps and counts before practicing the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, and then we'll go around and practice 4 walls of the dance so that you can master this dance and dance it on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Redneck Angel. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to do scissor steps. Step your right foot to the right side, bring left into right, taking weight on the left foot, cross right over left. We're now going to repeat that to the left side. Step left foot to the side, bring your right foot into your left, taking weight, cross left over right. We're now going to do hip bumps that make a quarter turn. Step your right foot to the side, bump your hip right, bump your hip to the left, and we're going to make a quarter turn over our left shoulder, bumping our hip right and stepping back. So now we're facing 9 o'clock. You want to be sitting on this right foot. We're now going to do a left coaster step, left back, right together, left forward. Let's try that a little bit quicker. Scissor step, scissor, cross, bump, right, left, quarter, left coaster step. Let's try it with some counts, crossing it over. 5, 6, 7, scissor. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Section 2, in our final section of the dance, we're going to do step locks forward, right, and left. Step right foot forward, bring left foot in and behind your right, locking it into your right foot. Step your right foot forward. Repeat that with the left. Step your left foot forward, bring your right foot in and behind your left, locking it in. Step left foot forward. We're now going to do a chase half turn. Step forward with your right, make a half pivot over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot. You're now facing 3 o'clock, and step forward with your right foot. This step forward is a prep, so it's going to help you make a full turning triple. So you want to slightly open your body up to the diagonal so that you can use that momentum to come around. To end the dance, we're going to do a full turning triple. So we're going to start by making a half turn, stepping back with your left foot over your right shoulder, step back. You're now facing 9 o'clock. We're going to make another half turn over our right shoulder, stepping forward with your right foot. You want this to be nice and close into your left foot. We're now going to end that section by stepping forward with your left foot to end the section. So let's try that whole part a little bit quicker. Step locks, step, lock, step, lock, step, chase, step, half, forward. Keep that second step nice and close. You want to pivot on the balls of your feet to make that turn feel better. Let's try it with some counts. Step lock, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. And that is the whole dance. So let's do the front wall all the way through, 1 time with steps and 1 time with counts before going all the way around, practicing all the walls. Starting with your scissor step. Right scissor, cross, left scissor, cross, bump your hips, right, left, quarter back, left coaster, step, right, step, lock, step, left, step, lock, step, chase, half turn, half forward with some counts. Weights on your left, scissor step, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. And that is the whole dance. So let's go around on the front and back walls. I'm going to use step names. And on the side walls, we'll use our counts to practice all of the variations. Now, if you are somebody that dances in a lot of different locations, you will see that this dance is done different ways. People add a lot of flair into the dance. So once you learn it, you can add your own style and add as much fun into it as you would like or as your dance location does. Weight starts on your left foot. We're starting with our scissor cross. With our right foot first, scissor cross, bump, right, left, quarter back, left coaster, step, right, step, lock, step, left, step, lock, step, chase, half, 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 forward, scissor, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, hips, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, scissor with a cross, scissor, cross, bump, right, left quarter, back, left coaster, step, step, lock, step, step, lock, step, step, half, half, forward, scissor, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. And that is the whole dance. Now the styling is up to you. If you use the merry-go-round song, there are some parts in it about throwing your hands up or shimmying and stuff like that. So you can add as much fun into it as you would like when you learn the dance. I hope this helps you learn Redneck Angel. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.